all over social media. Suppose close-ups of an object that looks metallic, maybe even alive. But what's real and what's rumor? These viral pictures are everywhere. Glowing spheres, strange textures, even claims of alien design. Some say they came from China, others insist Japan leaked them. But no space agency, not China's, not Japan's, not NASA, has released any close-up images of 3I Atlas. Every verified image shows only a faint, distant traveler with a thin tail of gas and dust. China's Tianwen-1 spacecraft did detect it, but only as a tiny moving dot millions of kilometers away. Japan's space agency hasn't published any images at all. 3I Atlas moves on a hyperbolic path, faster and steeper than any comet we've tracked. It's not bound to the sun and will never return, passing safely beyond the orbit of Mars. There's no danger to Earth, but its motion and behavior have left scientists amazed. Because here's the truth: 3I Atlas doesn't just behave a little differently. It behaves very differently. Its brightness flickers unpredictably, its path defies easy modeling, and its metal-rich makeup sets it apart from normal icy comets. It's strange, it's beautiful, and it reminds us how much we still don't understand. Scientists from China, Japan, the US, and Europe are all studying 3I Atlas together, sharing open data and comparing results. So far, nothing points to a real artificial origin, but the mystery keeps us looking upward. Is 3I Atlas different than other comets? Yes. And it challenges what we know, and maybe that's why it fascinates us so deeply. Whether it's a comet or something beyond our understanding, it reminds us how vast the universe really is. I'm Celeste, and this is Cosmic Space Journey.